I'm going to run through how we do payroll using Teams. So this isn't a demo team. The first thing I'll do is I'll create an account. I'll call it Payroll, and I'll have my iCloud and Will's iCloud be the signers. Only one signer will be needed to execute transactions, and because I'm going to use iCloud, this will allow either of us to actually sign and execute these transactions from our phone on the go, which will be great. Okay, so we got this payroll account set up, and now let's go over to schedules and create a new schedule, call it Payroll, and we will have it start on the first of the month, and we will do it monthly. And let's go now from our payroll account, we'll pay in USDC, and let's just say example.eth, say they get $10, and then we can also do an ENS, so I can use my own, and we'll do $10. So $20 total will be sent monthly on the first from our payroll account to these two recipients, say demo payroll schedule. I'll hit create. And so now, monthly on the first, and what I would probably do actually is I would then create that again for the 15th of the month if I wanted to run bi-weekly, which is a little bit more common where we are. And so now, monthly on the first or 15th on the first, I will receive an email or receive a notification that says it's time to run payroll. Because these accounts are non-custodial, that means that we, the splits team, cannot execute these transactions for you, but we can at least make it very easy for you to execute them on the go. And so I would receive a notification, I would open it, I would do Face ID on my phone, and then payroll would be sent to those two recipients.